Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install visible ores in Minecraft. Let's get started. First, quit Minecraft completely and open your web browser. Search for visible ores, Minecraft, and go to CourseForge. Choose a version that matches your Minecraft game, then click Files and then Download. Make sure you pick a stable release, not a beta. Next, download Optifine for the same version. Optifine is optimization tool that allows resource pack like visible ores to work correctly. After downloading, double-click the Optifine installer to run it. If it doesn't open, make sure you have Java installed from java.com and right-click the installer. Select Open with Java and click Install. Once installed, open your Minecraft launcher and select the Optifine profile. Then press play, then in-game, press escape, then go to options, then resource pack, then open pack folder. This opens the folder where Minecraft stores your packs. Drag the visible ores file from your downloads into this folder. And after that, return to Minecraft and activate the pack by clicking the arrow next to it and press done. You'll immediately notice that ores like diamond, gold, and iron are now clearly outlined, making mining much faster and more efficient. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.